Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install Autodesk AutoCAD DWG view and convert 2D and 3D files for free version. Autodesk is giving us free version to open the drawing files and convert. So type open Google Chrome and type DWG, enter. You can see here Autodesk DWG TrueView. Just click and now you can see here you can select the version as well, and you can select the 64-bit only it is available, and you can select the languages but only available English, French, Japanese. We'll select English and click download. So you can see here it is downloading. It is downloaded installer. So we'll open and right click, run as administrator. Now it will start installation. Wait until download and install the full setup. Now click run installer. It is preparing to install, so wait for some time, it will completely install. Okay, now you can see click to agree the terms and conditions and click next, install. So now it is installing completely. Before it was downloading the installer package, and so wait for a few minutes, so it will be downloaded, it will be installed completely, then we can use the DWG. You can see it is finalizing, as well as we can start viewing as well, but let it be finished. Now click start. And this setup is completely free, and click for personal or offers, or just remove and click OK as you like. This application for viewing, measuring, printing and converting DWG files. It does not require an AutoCAD license. It is free version from officially AutoCAD is providing us. So you can see if you have any file you can open directly, choose and open. But as of now I don't have any file to open this one, so you can click and you can add and you can view and convert the files. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.